Yes, student, from the chemical bonding chapter, molecular orbital theory. It is also one of the very important content. Regarding it, we know that according to molecular orbital theory, not only valence electron participates in overlapping to form a molecule, but each and every electron of each and every orbital participates to form a molecular orbital. Getting? So, to draw the molecular orbital diagram, molecular orbital diagram, okay, we can directly jump. Suppose we have to form the molecular orbital diagram of H2, and suppose we have to form molecular orbital diagram of He2 molecule. Okay, then what to do? But very first we should know what are the application of molecular orbital theory. Student, with the help of it, we can find how many number of covalent bond will be present in a particular molecule. Second one, whether the molecule formation will possible or not possible. Okay, that is existence will possible or not possible. And the third one is it also shows and can explain the magnetic property and relative stability, that is stability as compared to other molecule. So there are lot of significance of molecular orbital theory. What to do to find to draw molecular orbital diagram? Simple, you have to draw energy level diagram because it is also takes place according to Apobanov-Hunsen-Pauli's rule. So what to do? First write the atomic number, say 1, then write electronic configuration, say 1s, 1 and 1s, 1. So place this orbital here, write it 1s1 and 1s1. Now we know that the number of atomic orbital participate, okay, and the molecular orbital form must be what? Equal. That is, if two number of atomic orbital participate, there will be two number of molecular orbital. Okay, the lower energy, that is with the same wave overlapping, will form the bonding molecular orbital and will be denoted by sigma 1s, while the next one is called what? ABMO. It is of high energy. Okay, that is disfavor the molecule formation. It is called ABMO, denoted by again sigma 1s because belongs to 1s, but we have to place what? Star mark here, which shows what? Anti-bonding. Okay, now one electron each will form bonding molecular orbital, but now there is no next electron, therefore there will be no electron in anti-bonding molecular orbital. Getting? Now the concept is what? On the basis of molecular orbital, we can find what? Bond order. Bond order is Nb minus Na divided by 2. Here Nb means bonding molecular orbital and Na means anti-bonding molecular orbital. So here number of electron, that is electron in bonding molecular orbital is 2, minus it is 0, that is no electron, divided by 2. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 1. That means what? Between hydrogen and hydrogen there will be one bond. That is, if the bond order is at least 1, then the stable molecule will form, otherwise there will be no stability, that is no existence. So the bond order is 1, therefore it is stable. Again, on the basis of it, we can also show its magnetic properties. Okay, magnetic properties, it is of two types, paramagnetic and diamagnetic. Diamagnetic means if all the orbitals are paired, called diamagnetic, and if at least one orbital remains unpaired, then called paramagnetic. So in hydrogen molecule, the orbitals are fully filled, therefore the property is become what? Diamagnetic. So they become diamagnetic. Like if you have to explain He2, then write the configuration He2, this is what? 1s2. One more He is there, therefore atomic number is 2, 1s2. Now draw the energy level diagram. The energy level diagram is become what? 2 electrons, say 1s2. Again there are 2 electrons, so write it 1s2. Getting? Now according to Afbauer principle, very first field lower energy, then field anti-bonding molecular of higher energy. So one electron each will form bonding molecular orbital and will be denoted as sigma 1s2, while the second electron will form anti-bonding molecular orbital denoted again by sigma 1s2 but with star sign. Now the bond order will become, bond order is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by Nb minus Na. So it is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 minus 2, it is equal to 0 by 2, that is what? 0. That is what? No existence. Therefore there is no existence of what? He2 molecule. Isn't it? So again student, on the basis of this theory we can draw the molecular orbital diagram for various molecules like Li2 molecules, C2 molecules, getting N2 molecules, O2 molecules and F2 molecules, and also we can find the stability. The stability is given on the basis of bond order. As greater the bond order value, more will be the stability. And the magnetic property, as greater number of unpaired electron, more will be the paramagnetic nature. Getting? So already we have seen all these things. You can differentiate. Some question may be asked from, write the differences between bonding molecular orbital and anti-bonding molecular orbital. Are you getting? And you can ask the question like, find the stability order. 4 species will be given. You have to find their bond order, and with the help of it you can find their stability order.